Hi, I'm Christopher Showerman. In the next 60 seconds, let's make your torso smolder with this shoulder molder combo on the path of least resistance.
Clip your leashes about nipple width apart over the top rail of a sturdy fence. Facing away from the pick point, put your hands through the handles so they grab around your wrists. Hold the webbing and gently lean forward into 10 reps of eye leads. Without stopping, flip your body around so you're facing the pick point with your straps crossed and do 10 reverse flies. Then lift your elbows straight out to the sides so they form a straight line from one elbow to the other. Crank your wrists up 90 degrees to start a set of shoulder rotations. Drop your elbows to your sides with your palms facing each other. Crank your knuckles outwards with 10 external deltoid rotations. And if that's easy, you can go around that cycle again and again. Check your equipment before every workout. Have a training partner spot you, and always leave the gym nicer than you found it.
Don't just grow older, grow shoulder with this shoulder molder combo on the path of least resistance. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, do not clip your leashes to the subscribe button.